तुम सब सो गए थे। You all had fallen asleep. You all had fallen asleep. मुझसे पैसे मत मांगो। Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. असल में ये सच है। As a matter of fact, it is true. As a matter of fact, it is true. मैंने इसके बारे में नहीं सोचा है। I have not thought about it. I have not thought about it. ये मेरा आपसे वादा है। This is my promise to you. This is my promise to you. लेकिन ये होगा कैसे? But how will this happen? But how will this happen? आप वो कैसे करोगे? How will you do that? How will you do that? मैं रुकूं या जाऊं? Should I stay or go? Should I stay or go? मुझे मत बताओ कि क्या करना है। Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. मुझे सोचने के लिए थोड़ा समय दो। Give me a little time to think. Give me a little time to think. मुझे निराश मत करो। Don't let me down. Don't let me down. क्या ये बस समुद्र तट पर जाती है? Does this bus go to the beach? Does this bus go to the beach? जाने से पहले एक बात सुन लो। Before leaving, listen to one thing. Before leaving, listen to one thing. मैं तुमसे जरूर मिलूंगा। I will surely meet you. I will surely meet you. जल्दबाजी में तुम हमेशा भूल जाते हो। You always forget in hassle. You always forget in hassle. ऐसा दोबारा कभी नहीं होगा। It will never happen again. It will never happen again. ये पहली बार नहीं है। It is not the first time. It is not the first time. हम उनसे पहले ही मिल चुके हैं। We have met him already. We have met him already. क्या आप कभी उसके घर गए हैं? Have you ever been to his house? Have you ever been to his house? अगर तुम उसे नहीं सुधार सके तो? What if you can't fix it? What if you can't fix it? किसी को इस बारे में पता नहीं चलना चाहिए। No one should know about this. No one should know about this. आपको डरने की कोई बात नहीं है। You have nothing to fear. You have nothing to fear. मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया है। I have not told anyone. I have not told anyone. मैं खुद उससे बात करूंगा। I will talk to him myself. I will talk to him myself. फिर से ऐसा गलती मत करना। Don't make such a mistake again. Don't make such a mistake again. हमारे पास जो था सब ले आए हैं. We have brought all we had. We have brought all we had. मैं क्या गलत कर रहा हूं? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? हमारी उससे बात हो गई है. We have talked to him. We have talked to him. क्या तुमको भी ऐसा ही लगता है? Do you think the same? Do you think the same? मैंने आपको सब कुछ बता दिया है. I have told you everything. I have told you everything. तो ये क्या है? Then what is this? Then what is this? यहां कोई और नहीं है. There is no one else here. There is no one else here. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि यह संभव है? Do you think it is possible? Do you think it is possible? हर कोई खुश रहना चाहता है. Everybody wants to be happy. Everybody wants to be happy. मैं उनसे एक बार भी नहीं मिला हूं. I have not met him even once. I have not met him even once. तुम्हें किसने कहा ये करने के लिए? Who asked you to do this? Who asked you to do this? अब स्थिति कैसी है? How is the situation now? How is the situation now? आप वहां कहाँ रहेंगे? Where will you stay there? Where will you stay there? मैं नहीं जानता कि वे कौन हैं. I don't know who they are. I don't know who they are. मुझे अब भी याद है तुमने क्या कहा था. I still remember what you said. I still remember what you said. वो सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचती है. She only thinks of herself. She only thinks of herself. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो आएगा. I don't think he will come. I don't think he will come. क्या वो तुम्हारे साथ आई थी? Did she come with you? Did she come with you? क्या तुम उसे यहां अक्सर देखते हो? Do you see him here often? Do you see him here often? मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा. I never said that. I never said that. मैं अब तुम पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकता. I can't trust you anymore. I can't trust you anymore. दवाई लेना मत भूलना. Don't forget to take pills. Don't forget to take pills. क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? क्या तुम उसकी सच्चाई जानना चाहते हो? Do you want to know his truth? Do you want to know his truth? मैं आपका उपकार कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget your favor. I will never forget your favor. क्या आपको यहां काम करना पसंद नहीं है? Don't you like working here? Don't you like working here? अब मुझे चलना चाहिए. I must leave now. I must leave now. अंग्रेजी सीखना आसान है. English is easy to learn. English is easy to learn.